In this video, I will guide you on how to add promo code on Walmart app. First, launch open the Walmart app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now go ahead and browse the items that you want to purchase. Then tap on the add option to add the item in your cart. Once you have added all the items in your cart, you want to tap on the cart icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then select the pickup and delivery option, whichever you prefer. Now you want to tap on the continue to checkout option. If you have not added your phone number, go ahead and add it over here to verify your account. Now in the payment details section, find the apply promo code option. Here you want to type your code exactly as it appears in the input box and then tap on apply. Now confirm that your order total drops to reflect the discount before finalizing the transaction. And in this way, you can easily add promo code on Walmart app. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.